right, I'm sitting outside of a Target. Is this the Target? Does it actually have groceries inside? I don't know. I really doubt it because I came here one time and it's a tiny one, but maybe it's changed. So I think after an Aldi's grocery haul, this has been like my most highly requested grocery haul is to do a Target. I don't know that I've ever bought groceries at Target besides like just like pantry type stuff. Because we just don't have one close to us that has like the full groceries. So we're gonna give it a go. I wanna go in and try to find like my top 10 like things I would absolutely buy, absolutely eat that are healthy and ready to eat. And there's really like 3 main criteria if I'm trying to buy like pre-packaged ready to eat food. One is I look for high protein, like over 10 grams of protein per serving, low sugar per serving, under 6 grams of added sugar. I try to find things that have ingredients I can actually read. And then this one kind of goes without saying, but I'm gonna say it anyway. It needs to be easy and convenient. Like I want to be able to eat it within 5 minutes. Otherwise, what are we doing? My goal is to find at least 10 items that are like the best healthy, ready to eat snacks and meals. So if you're trying to eat healthier, you don't want to spend $1 bazillion or waste a ton of time cooking, I made this video for you. Sweat the thumbs up. That just means give it a little click. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I have new videos every week sharing my health and fitness journey to really help you with yours. Like I've been there, I've been on all sides of this journey and I've maintained my healthy lifestyle now for over 10 years. And I want to help you guys do the same. Plus I have giveaways every week for my subscribers. So all you need to do is be subscribed and make sure you're commenting on my videos and I'll drop our winners every week in the community channel. So make sure you guys check that out to see if you won. All right, so now we're gonna head in and first of all, see if this is a grocery store. And if not, then we'll have to go find another one. But if it is, we're gonna do a little haul. Okay, really fast before I head in though, I'm curious how many of you are actually Target shoppers. I feel like everyone's a Target shopper. I don't know. But like, not only just like Target shopping, but like what do you typically buy? Like, are you buying actual groceries there? What's on your list? And are you like me and do you walk in with a list of 2 things and walk out with 15 things in your cart that you definitely didn't need? So it's a small grocery. They said it's like a tiny one, but they have stuff. So I feel like if I can find stuff in a tiny one, you can find one anywhere. I just put something in my cart that I literally never thought in a million years I would ever buy again. But honestly, like, I can't be mad at it. You're gonna be shocked. You're gonna be shocked. I'm shocked right now. We did it. It may have been a tiny Target, but it had groceries. And I actually am very impressed with what I found. It took a little bit of digging, but we got some good stuff. So I'm gonna head home, bring everything out of the bags, and we'll go through what I got. I just unpacked everything. There are definitely more than 10 things here, but I wanna show you, I try to get stuff too, like if it was mealy kind of food, things that I would put together to eat for like a quick meal. So I'll show you guys everything I got, why I bought it, and what I would do with it. And here's what I tried to do. They had some items that I was familiar with that I've seen at like Whole Foods or Aldi or Costco or whatever, but I really tried to find mostly stuff that I don't normally buy, brands that I'm not familiar with that are like Target exclusives, because I feel like that's more helpful because you know that like this is a Target food item. So the first thing, we're gonna go with like a full meal item. These chicken sausage. I try to find ready to eat chicken sausage pretty much anywhere because it's just such an easy, delicious source of protein. So these ones, I liked them. They were really simple ingredients. There's only, what is it? Less than 1 gram of added sugar. So basically like no sugar in here. It's 1 gram of sugar total per link, 15 grams of protein, 6 grams of fat. You are getting like a great source of protein, and it's not organic or anything, but it was really good price. And it's just like clean, no nitrates, which is kind of the main thing you want to make sure you look for in any type of like mixed processed meat. I still can't wait to show you the one that I feel like you guys are gonna be like, kind of shocked about. But first, I got these waffles. I normally make like from scratch, like with protein and oats and milk and stuff. I'll make waffles and pancakes. But when you want something really quick and you just need to get some fuel, these are a great brand. I've seen them at a lot of different stores. I've never actually seen the like already made ones. I've seen their mixes a lot, but this is high protein. So you get like 12 grams of protein and 2 waffles. I told you in the beginning, I want things that have at least 10 grams of protein. They do have some added sugars. There's like 5 grams of added sugars. My ideal is to not have added sugar, but again, You just can't always do it when you're trying to get pre-packaged, pre-made food. So what I would do if I'm gonna eat these, I'm not gonna be adding syrup on top because then you're gonna just take your sugar and your calories way higher. I'm gonna put them in the toaster, throw some nut butter on them for some like more healthy fats, and call it a day. It's gonna be delicious. If you want something, maybe mash up some berries. That's at least what I would do. Let's look at a little snacky snack. I found these, it's like, seems like this is a Target brand, this Good and Gather. This is just a little like charcuterie board. There's some cheese, some salami, and olives. So you're getting your proteins and healthy fats in here. A lot of them had like a bunch of crackers, and some of them had more crackers than protein. And to me, I always want my protein to be higher than carbs. So while I would still totally eat some type of carb on the side with this, I would rather make sure my portions are more even. So in this pack, you have 13 grams of protein. That passes my 10-gram test. This is a really great snack or like small meal if you need something throughout the day just to give you that energy. Okay, I didn't know they even like sold this at grocery stores. When I was in high school, I felt like if a boy took you to Panera on a like lunch day, it was real high class. I mean, I love a Panera. I haven't been there in years and years, but I remember I used to love their chicken enchilada soup, and they had it at Target. They had a few different flavors, but I liked this one the best. It seemed the cleanest, the like less cheese, like all that stuff. Really simple ingredients, and what is it? In this whole thing, one container, 20 grams of protein in the container. So this is a great meal. It's only 280 calories, which is not a lot because it's mostly just protein. So you get a little bit of fats in there. Again, good fats, only 1 gram of sugar. This is basically like a protein in a cup, and you wouldn't really think of chicken tortilla soup as a high protein meal, but when you look at the label, it really is. So I eat the whole thing as like a easy dinner, easy lunch, something on the go to get 20 grams of protein quickly in a healthy way. This is a great find. This one you might laugh at me for because I actually started buying these for Luke like months ago for my toddler, but they're delicious. And I think they are a perfect snack for anyone when you just need something quickly. Again, this is in the snack category. This definitely does not count as a whole meal, but it's awesome. So the Once Upon a Farm, this is, what's her name? Jennifer Garner. She's like one of the founders of this brand. This is organic, dairy-free smoothie. They have ones with dairy too. This is just what they had at Target. So I've seen all sorts of them. I haven't actually ever seen the boxes of them. It's a really good price. I think they're like $2 a pouch or something like that. But you get some protein in here. This did not pass my protein test. It's a tiny little yogurt, so it only has a couple grams of protein. It's not gonna be like a heavy thing, but if you need a quick snack on the go, it's good. You have a good amount of carbs, a little higher on the sugar. It has 10 grams of sugar, but no added sugar. The key is no added sugar. That is what we wanna see. And it's just literally strawberry, banana, coconut milk, pumpkin seed, orange juice. Like it's from fruit, so we're good. All right, next up is like 2 different items. They can go in completely different directions, but you can put them together too. So when I was pregnant, I like just had this satiable need for Caesar salads. Like I was obsessed. I've always liked Caesar salads, but like I needed a Caesar salad all the time, and that kind of hasn't gone away. So I love a good Caesar. So I got one of these little salad kits. Normally I would say be wary of the salad kits because of the sugars. Most of the ones, like Caesar's different, but most of the like, you know, vinaigrette, whatever ones have so much added sugar. This does not. This one, I think I checked, it had, 1 gram of sugar, no added sugars, but like 1 gram of sugar in the pack. The thing with Caesar is just, it's a very high fat content. So I will say this now and like take it to heart. Dressings, sauces, if you're trying to lose weight, you gotta watch them because those calories add up so fast. You don't even realize you just added like 500 calories to your day that you didn't need from a sauce. So it comes with a full pack in here. I will use as little as possible, probably like a tablespoon, a quarter of the pack in here to cover my salad. I don't need much, I just want that flavor. And then to go with this, I found these grilled chicken strips. I love whenever I can find good, just clean grilled chicken, lightly seasoned, no preservative, no artificial flavors, no MSG. It's just grilled chicken, but like it's not organic, that's okay. I do my best, but when you're on the go, you have to think about what's most important. We're just trying to make it easy and as clean as possible. So this is such a good quick option you can grab whenever you find like the simply grilled without a ton of seasonings or sauces. And this one's great because you can throw it on like rice or into other meals throughout the day, into wraps, anything else, but you can put them together and make a yummy Caesar. I don't know if I should do the like crazy one next or wait. Oh, wait a second. Okay, so if you know me at all, you know I love hummus. Like I love hummus so much. It is one of my favorite snacks, but the problem with hummus, even though it's healthy, it is so easy to sit and eat like an entire tub of hummus, way more than a single serving. So they have these little hummus cups that come with pretzels inside. This is actually 10 grams of protein. I didn't even check this. I was just like, hummus, I know it's good. 10 grams of protein in this little snack hummus cup. This is, what brand is this? Sabra. I think they had maybe a couple different ones there, but that is amazing. So the thing is, it has a bunch of pretzels. They're the thin, crispy pretzels. I don't need all of those. I'll probably eat a few of them. I really came for the hummus, but I like to just use it as a dipper. So like dip and lick. But it just helps make sure that I'm getting a healthy amount of hummus and not going absolutely crazy and eating 5 servings. Okay, a couple other things really fast. One, I am a tuna girl. Like I love tuna, and these are so nice because they're just in the little pouches that you don't have to drain. You're not dealing with a can. You can easily take them on the go. Just like literally eat it out of the pouch if you just need some fuel and to get protein. There's 15 grams and this one has 18. This one has just like lemon and pepper, but there's not added oils. There's not a bunch of added stuff. The ingredients are really, really clean. They're so simple. This is that Target brand again. So these are great to like just eat on the go, eat with your hummus and your crackers if you want, kind of get that in a mix, just whether it's a snack or a meal. I also will use these to throw into sandwiches or throw into pastas for a quick dinner. If you need an easy protein that you don't have to cook, you don't have to chop, you don't have to do anything, literally just dump it in there. It's actually really good. I made Luke this like pasta with pesto and tuna, which might sound weird, but it was so delicious. So I love having things like this on hand just for those quick meals. We're gonna rapid fire before we get to like the one. This is just pre-cooked rice, like it's already all cooked, ready to go. This one is jasmine rice. You microwave it for 90 seconds. Remember back in the beginning when I said one of my criteria is that these actually are quick and like minimal effort and we don't have to like deal with mixing from this pot to pan and this and that? Yes, like this is a winner for that. Throw it in a bowl, you're good to go. And side note, obviously rice is not a meal by itself or a snack, but to me it's one of those staples for meals. So whether I'm adding the chicken to it or throwing the tuna with it, something else, it's just easy. The sausages I had, you can just do it as a base and you're good to go. Spinach and egg white frittatas. I used to get these at Costco actually, so this is one that I bought before, but since I had them there, I just felt like I had to get them. We used to eat these all the time when we were in the office with the whole team. We would have them stocked in the freezer at all times, so it's kind of a nostalgic buy, but really simple, clean. What's the protein in these? Where is it? 5 grams of protein in 1 frittata. I would always eat 2 anyway, so you get your 10 grams of protein, easy. And these are so yummy. Lunch meat, I know some people are weird about lunch meat. When I'm talking about prepackaged food, I am not worried about sodium because I don't eat prepackaged food that often. So I know like some people have to worry about sodium. If you have a health issue, obviously pay attention to it. Otherwise, I just go for the quality of the food, minimal ingredients, high protein. This, I wrap it up, literally dip it in my hummus, dip it in some dressing, put mustard on it, wrap it in a salad. But here's what I'll say, this is 7 ounces. Like a serving is almost this whole thing, like 5 ounces. So probably like remove 2 of the pieces and you have the amount you should be eating. I've not had a Perfect Bar in so long, but these were one of my favorites always because they're so clean. They have a little bit of a higher sugar than I would normally go for, but they do have good protein source. I think they're like 10, what are they? 17 grams of protein, so a lot of protein. The sugar is high, it's like 19, there's 13 grams of added sugar, but if you're about to go work out or if you are like on the road and you need energy, these are the times I'd say like, yes, grab it, do it, or you can always eat like half the bar. I literally like, I feel like when I saw this, I like shook, like, you know, like a little like, like you have eaten something so many times in your life that it just has become horrible. Like if you're in college and you just eat like top ramen all day, every day. This was my version of top ramen, but this actually looks delicious and it was really, really healthy. It hit all of my requirements for a pre-made, ready to eat meal. And I honestly never thought I'd be recommending one of these. And I don't recommend it as a, you should eat this all the time for every lunch or every dinner. But if you're in a pinch, you need something, I'm gonna have to recommend it. It's healthy choice. And I think just because like healthy choice and brands like this, like lean cuisine, are so ingrained in me as like negative diet culture, because when I was trying so desperately to get skinny, I ate like Special K cereal for breakfast. I took like Special K challenge and I'd eat healthy choice or lean cuisine for lunch, and that was not healthy. You know why? Because I was eating prepackaged food for like every single meal. Going back to sodium, it was so high. My sodium had to be like intake daily had to be 4 times the normal amount. So at that level, it was so not healthy, and I ate them every day for years, trying so hard to be like healthy and thin that it wasn't healthy. But like I said, if you need something quick, this is actually really good. The ingredients are so minimal. This one is the grilled chicken and broccoli Alfredo, 100% natural chicken. That's good. That's what we need, nothing artificial. And then as far as ingredients, like it literally is just like the chicken breast, olive oil, rice starch, Alfredo, 28 grams of protein. That's amazing, 28 grams. There's only 5 grams of fat, 2 grams of sugar, less than 1 that's added sugar in the whole meal. 190 calories, which is very low. Like that's not a full meal amount of calories. So you're gonna need to eat something else, but it's a full, great portion of protein. So just make sure that you're realizing like 190 calories is not enough for like a meal in your day. You probably are gonna wanna be closer to 500 calories. So this might be just like a snack. So I 100% would eat this if I was in a pinch. This actually is a good choice. We're not gonna call it a healthy choice because it's not unhealthy, but it's a good choice. Okay, you know what's wild? I just realized this, like I said, has 190 calories, but 28 grams of protein, which is great. This little cup of hummus and crackers has 370 calories. Crazy. So these would actually be great to go together for like a full meal. Wild. This is mostly fat, that's why. There's 18 grams of fat. It's quite a bit in here. I think that's mostly from the oils they add to the chickpeas, probably, for the hummus, but crazy. I think that ended up being like 12 or 13 actually, ready to eat, healthy snacks and meals that you can grab at Target. Again, this was at a small store. Like I asked them up front, they're like, oh, this is a really tiny one, but we do have some stuff. So if you have a normal, like full out Target grocery, I'm sure you can find all of this plus so many more great options. And if you guys have things that you love buying at Target that you know are like healthy, good things, drop them in the comments below to help me and all the other girls that shop out to like know what stuff to look for next time they go to. And I'm actually really hungry right now, so I think I'm gonna do my little charcuterie cheese and olive situation. But if you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. If you like this video, let me know where you want me to go next, what my next grocery store should be, and especially if you like these like ready to eat series I've done where there's no cooking involved, you just have something that you know is a healthy choice to grab on the go. All right, I love you guys. I will see you next week. Bye.